Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video, and today in this video I'm going to tell you about the Battle of Khanwa. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Babur accused Rana Sanga that he did not assist or help him against Ibrahim Lodi. On the other hand, Rana Sanga declared the right of Dholpur, Bayana and Kalpi made by Babur illegal. He sought help from Hasan Khan Mewati and gave shelter to Alam Khan Lodi. Mahmud Lodi was regarded as the ruler of Delhi, and thus Rana Sanga supported Afghans more than foreigners. The Rajputs proceeded to conquer Bayana and Agra, where Hasan Khan Mewati and Mahmud Lodi met her. Two army platoons of Babur were defeated by Rajputs. The defeat weakened the power of Mughal soldiers and instilled fear in them for the courage and valor of Rajput. So basically, Babur's determination to stay in India became the main reason for Khanwa's war against the Rajputs. This battle was fought between Babur and Rana Sanga on 16th of March 1527 AD at a place called Khanwa, 10 miles from Fatehpur Sikri. This war was started in the morning and lasted for about 20 hours. The Rajput bravely faced the Mughal cavalry and cannon attacks. I had already told you in the Battle of Panipat that Babur had won only because of his mobile cavalry and his artillery. Because all of you can understand that in front of Ibrahim Lodi's army of 1 lakh, Babur's 10,000 soldiers were nothing. If we talk about the strength of soldiers, it was impossible for Babur to defeat Ibrahim Lodi. But shortly after the start of the war, the courage and morale of the Rajput soldiers were broken after Rana Sanga was injured. Whereas, on the contrary, the Mughal got success due to the courage of the best army, leadership, war policy, military operations, use of artillery and opportunity. Babur at this time, like a skilled general, a connoisseur of human warfare, instilled courage and enthusiasm in his army effortlessly. Babur swore not to drink alcohol before the war and destroyed the alcoholic container, as well as freed the Muslim from the tax called Tagada and gave permission to the soldiers desirous of going back to Kabul after the war. He declared this war as a jihad necessary to protect Islam, and soldiers laid hand on the religious text Quran Sharif and took an oath to fight. Thank you guys for watching this video, and very soon I will bring many more interesting videos, so stay connected with me.